Okay, this is stock number 5-95J. This is a 2000 Audi A6 Quattro, 2.7 twin turbo with the 6-speed stick. I had it running for about 20 minutes now. 140,453 miles on the clock right now. No lights on at all except low washer fluid. And of course, just like they all do, the center portion of the cluster is depixelized. But from what I can tell, I don't really understand why this is here, except possibly maybe body rot. The front fenders and everything are a little touch and go. But I'll take you on a test drive right here. The clutch feels pretty stiff, but it catches right in the middle. No noises in the transmission or anything. There was no smoke, no noises in the motor, no knocks, no pings, no fluid transfers. Temperature gauge is right in the middle, so I don't really see too many problems that way. But she definitely moves. It goes a little faster than my Mini, I'll tell you that. But I'll show you a picture of the motor and stuff in a sec. And there's the engine. Like I said, no, nothing out of place, nothing out of the ordinary. But I'm looking at things and it looks like the rear suspension on this thing's sagging a little bit, and well, the front fender's wiped out and stuff like that. So I think it might have maybe an undercarriage rod issue, something like that. That might be why it's here. But other than that, it looks really good. Drivetrain at least is solid. I see nothing wrong with it at all.